This meditation will instantly reduce the anxiety and fear that you are feeling right now. Make sure that you are sitting comfortably, resting your hands gently on your legs, or in whatever position is most comfortable for you. If you like, allow your eyes to gently close, or focus them on an object in the room. Just let yourself become as comfortable and relaxed as possible. As you begin to settle into this meditative state, focus your attention on your breath. Feel the air move through your nostrils as you simply let your breath continue to flow in and out, ever so naturally. And as you breathe, you may want to also turn your attention to the air in your lungs as you slowly push your belly in and out along with your breath. Just gently focus on this now. And as you relax and feel so pleasant and comfortable, soon we will begin to speak some simple mantras that will instantly help to calm your fear, anxiety, or sense of panic. When you began, you may have felt some uncomfortable feelings, and you may feel some of these uncomfortable feelings still. Perhaps a tightness in your chest or quickening of your heartbeat. As you continue through this session, you will feel your heart rate settle and a wonderful sense of inner calm will slowly come over you. As you hear these mantras, slowly repeat them back to yourself, one by one. You can say them in your mind, or if it helps, repeat them out loud, whichever is best for you. Dedicate 1 or 2 full, relaxed breaths to each mantra and feel the powerful weight of each word as you repeat them. Continue to feel the air of your breath gently move in and out as we begin. Now, either silently or out loud, repeat after me. As I breathe in and out, I am aware of my breath. I am aware of my heartbeat. I am aware of my body. As I breathe in and out, I am aware of the anxiety within me. I am aware of my fears. I am aware of any tightness in my chest. As I breathe in and out, I am aware of my negative thoughts. Now I calm my negative thoughts. Now I release my negative thoughts. As I breathe in and out, I calm my anxiety. I calm my fear. I release the tightness in my chest. As I breathe in and out, I relax my mind. I relax my body. I slow down my thoughts. As I breathe in and out, I release my fears. I become free of my anxiety. I become free of suffering. I find peace. As I breathe in and out, I let go. I let go. I let go. Very good. You should now feel a wonderful sense of calm throughout your body and in your mind. You are now liberated and free. If you like, you may listen once again to tell yourself these mantras and reinforce them. But for now, take a few more moments to breathe in and out and relax in this moment of peace and stillness.